You're doing so well. Let's keep going. Remember, practice makes perfect. Have a look at the right-hand side of the page and let's sound out the words together. Say the sounds and the words with me. F-a-n, fun. H-a-g, hug. L-et, let. M-a-d, mud. P-a-g, pug. P-a-p, pup. R-a-n, run. S-a-n, sun. Now let's have a look at the words in the block at the top of the page. These are words that we need to learn and practice to make reading easier. Say the words after me. Is. The. This is how we write the at the beginning of a sentence with a capital letter. And this is how we write the in the middle of a sentence. In, to, but, a, can, if, not, he. Great! Now let's read the sentences on the left, starting at the top. The p-a-p pup is a p-a-g pug. The pup is a pug. The word pup is short for puppy, a small dog. And a pug is a kind of dog. Can he run? Can he run? The p-a-g pug can run. The pug can run. Let. The p-a-p pup run in the sun. Let the pup run in the sun. The p-a-p pup is fun to h-a-g hug. The pup is fun to hug, but not if the p-a-p pup is in the mud. But not if the pup is in the mud. Well done, and keep practicing your reading.